Okay, cool. So now that that's saved, let's move on. So let's look at our original photo for more inspiration. We've got our siding here. We've got roof shingles. We've got a couple things we can tackle here. So let's take care of the roof shingles, right? So I'm going to click here and same workflow. I don't need textures for this. I can actually just go here and I can find the roofing materials right under here. So I'm going to click this and there we go. That's roof shingles. Perfect. So look at that. The rotation is off. This is what I was talking about earlier, how I want to have more control. So I'm going to double click this. First thing I want to do, let's go over to UV coordinates and let's rotate. Perfect. Much, much better. Okay. And I just want to look at the scale of them. Maybe I go a little bigger. So I'm just going to increase the scale. Perfect. All right, that looks great. And I think they should be a little darker, right? So I'm just gonna make that black. And there we go. And what I could do to remove some of these browns here, I can go back to settings and then just lower that. So there you go. So you've got a couple options to kind of fine tune your colors there. Looks like there's a little bit of a blue. So I'm gonna click here. Kind of like, all right, yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, I'll leave it somewhere around there. That's totally cool. All right, so what else do we need to do? Our soften edges. We want to do some weathering. It's kind of like do a wood, that's fine. And again, you're not gonna like see too much until you go far away and until you go super high. So again, just a little bit is gonna add some detail there. Just want to play with some different colors and see which one makes the most sense. So I know this is crazy, but I do like what it's doing here. I wonder if there's any other ones that we can use. So it looks like some stone is adding some here. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna go to plastic and I'm just gonna lower it. And I'm gonna do just a little bit just to break up the texture. Yeah. So it doesn't look 100% clean, right? Because the real world is not perfectly clean. So I'm going to click this, and I'm just going to do my copy. And then I'm going to click here and paste. Okay? And that's that rotation thing being incorrect again. So let's change that. This is upside down, and that's the correct way. Okay? So literally like first perfect world example of why you want this broken out. So this is just a flat roof piece, you know, for the sake of this, I'm just going to paste this. If I want, I can always go back and change that material, but we're never going to be up here. So not a big deal. So that's looking good. I'm going to hit save changes and I'm going to save my model one more time.